Hello and welcome to Curry TV. So I want to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day and I want to share one of my recipes with you guys. It's nothing so complicated. I thought of treating all my Valentines, that's my husband and my kids, with something they love. So shrimp, seafood is what they prefer. So I thought of making something special for them with shrimp. So I'm going to be making shrimp skewers. Let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. Okay, for this I'm going to be using tiger shrimp. This is the 21 to 25 count tiger shrimp, and this is with its tail. I mean, all the rest of it is all gone, just the tail portion is kept intact so that when I am making the hearts with, I'll show you. So this is about 30 shrimps. I'll be using a tablespoon of vegetable oil, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, and paprika, of course. And also we're going to be mixing in some veggies. So I have orange, green, and red bell peppers with a half of a red onion, all diced up into a nice chunk. When I am actually skewering them, nothing will fall out. Okay, so first thing, let's season our veggies and our shrimp. So I have the veggies separate. Let's keep that aside. Okay, shrimp. Let's season that. Now salt is according to your taste, but this is about half a teaspoon or so. Now next thing is a little bit of black pepper. Now that is according to your taste. So I'm going to be using half a teaspoon. And a little bit of turmeric powder. Okay. A good spoonful of paprika. A good spoonful means 1 tablespoonful of paprika. Let's give it a mix. Before that, let's add in 1 spoonful of vegetable oil. Now I like it this way because when I'm actually putting it on the griddle, that way I don't need to spray the griddle or that it doesn't become very oily. So this will coat that shrimp with all the spices as well as the oil. If you want to squeeze in a little bit of lime juice, that would be fine, perfect. The citrusy, I'm just going to keep this aside for half an hour, and then once we come back after grilling, I'll actually put a splash of lime juice. Beautiful, very good. I like it. Okay, let's keep that aside, right? Now that baby is sitting. Now, if you don't like to season your veggies, that's fine. Basic thing is just season it with some salt and black pepper, right? So if you don't like to season with masalas, the spicy ones, you can season this with Italian dressing. That would be perfect. And if you're using the Italian dressing, you don't need to even add the oil because it already has oil in there. So let's give it a good mix. Just toss it around. Okay, it's been 30 minutes or so. Let's get our skewers going. So I got some skewers ready. I didn't have the metal wood one, so I used my favorite metal one. This is actually a gift from my husband for last Valentine's Day. So I thought I'll just remind him. Okay. First off, I'm going to fill in with some nice veggies. Whichever color you like, which you could add spring onions, you could add what else? Mushrooms, anything, any of your veggies, your choice of veggies, that's fine. So, right? And here's what I'm going to do. Take one of your shrimp, right? And insert your skewer like so that it comes out like this. Now next that I'm going to do is making it into a heart. This is half of a heart. Let me entering the next set, and with that tail it'll actually hold its shape, it won't shrink. Okay, we need a little bit more room So I'm trying to minimize the space in between. Yeah, half of a heart. Let's do the rest of the stuff. Fill it all up. Now the color orders, or that's all up to you. There's no right and wrong version of it, so just do whatever you like. Okay, one is ready. Now doesn't that look Valentine-y? Huh? Yeah, I think it does. Okay, let's do the rest for all of it, and then I'll show you how it looks like. Our skewers are all ready. Like I said, some kids like with onion, some doesn't like onion, so I have varieties all going on here. So it's time to place them on a nice hot griddle, so it's nice and hot. I'm going to lower the heat to medium, and there it goes. Okay, I have placed all my hearts, my shrimps laid out. So it's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over, and then it'll be done. It's how easy this recipe is. Okay, it's time to flip them over. Make sure it's not too hot. Okay, let's brush in some oil from that juice. So there you have it. We just grilled all our shrimp skewers. I hope you like it. You make it special for your loved ones. And it doesn't have to be on Valentine's Day that you make them feel special. This is an easy recipe that you can do any time of the day. So please try this recipe out. I can show you how we are going to be plating everything. I have made chicken fry. That's one of our favorites in the house, with salads and fried rice, and of course our shrimp. I have recipes, all of that, on our site, so definitely try my channel, and you can refer those recipes and make them special. So I would love to hear your feedbacks, and to all those who have subscribed so far, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye bye. Happy Valentine's Day.